Aloha and welcome to KTA Quick and Owner Recipes. I'm Chef Grant Sato, and today I'll be preparing for you corn and crab soup. Place the chicken stock in a medium-sized pot and bring to a boil. Add in the pepper and salt and thicken with the cornstarch slurry. Lower the heat and add in the beaten egg, stirring very slowly to develop the egg flowers. Turn off the heat and add in the corn, crab, and served hot, garnished with chopped green onions. For this recipe and more, please visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.